In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add music to video clips in DaVinci Resolve. We'll walk through bringing your music into the project, placing it under your footage, and shaping it so it supports your edit with the right volume, fades, and timing. By the end, you'll have a clean, polished soundtrack that complements your visuals without getting in the way. Start by opening the DaVinci Resolve app. Once your project is up, you'll want to bring your music into the media pool, which is the area where all your project assets live. You can do this a few different ways. From the top menu, click File, then choose Import, and select your audio file from your computer. If you prefer, you can also use the Media menu to select files from your computer. Another quick method is to right-click in any empty space inside the media pool and choose Import Media, then pick your audio. And if you like to work fast, simply drag your audio file straight from your File Explorer or Finder directly into the media pool. Any of these options will add the track to your project and keep things organized. With the music in your media pool, drag the audio file down to the timeline. For best results, place it on a new audio track like A2 or A3 underneath your main video audio on A1. Keeping music separate from dialogue or on-camera sound makes mixing clearer and gives you more control later. Next, set your music level. On the audio clip in the timeline, you'll see a horizontal line running through the waveform. Hover your mouse over that line until the cursor changes to a vertical double arrow, then drag up to raise the volume or down to lower it. Aim for a level that supports the scene without overpowering voices. As a general guideline, avoid pushing the meters into the red. Clean headroom keeps your mix sounding professional. To make your music ease in or out, add fades. Move to the very top corner of the audio clip until a small white handle appears, then drag it inward. Do this at the beginning for a fade in and at the end for a fade out. Subtle fades help transition between scenes and prevent abrupt starts and stops. Finally, trim the music to fit your edit. Click and drag the left or right edge of the audio clip to shorten or lengthen it as needed. Trimming in the timeline is non-destructive, so you can always extend it back if you change your mind. That's it. Import, place, level, fade, and trim. You now know how to add music to video clips in DaVinci Resolve with clarity and control.